Learn BC, you're here with Jared and we're talking about BC work tips. This is tip 5 and we're talking about keyboard shortcuts. Now, how do you find the keyboard shortcuts? Well, hit the question mark up the top right hand corner and at the bottom here it has keyboard shortcuts, and when you click it, it's going to open up to a article from Microsoft that has all the details here on keyboard shortcuts that you could want. I'm going to run you through a few, but before I do, click this article and it's going to give you a picture. You want to print that off and put it on your desk while you're learning Business Central, and that's going to save you a wad of time. A couple of examples here. Closing down the help panel. If I'm here in a list and I want to refresh it at 5, so if you press F5, it will actually refresh the data and not reload the whole browser like the F5 key normally does. And if you hit Alt+N, it's going to create a new record. When I'm in my record set, I could be sitting here and I want landscape, and so I'm going to extend the landscape of the window here to be full screen. So if I go into vendors, Control F12, and it extends my landscape. And of course, Alt+Q will get you through to the tell me. And so there's shortcut keys like this that are gonna save you a bunch of time. Go read into them, go start practicing them. Just decide, I'm gonna learn 2 or 3 new tool tips, keyboard shortcuts every single week, and it's gonna save you a bunch of time on your day-to-day transactions. See you in the next video.